Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Sunny Sensei. Today, we'll be talking about PMP Application Audit process. What is the PMP audit? How to handle it? And why you shouldn't panic if you get audited. The audit is a random process. No one knows exactly how PMI selects applications for audit, but there is roughly a 10% chance of being audited. It all starts as soon as you submit your PMP application. Within minutes, you will receive this email from Project Management Institute. Your application has been selected for audit. The deadline for completing the audit is 27th December 2024, which is 90 days from 28th September 2024, the day you submitted your application. Click on the link in the email to go to your PMI dashboard. Scroll down to your PMP application. It is under audit with 90 days to complete the process. Let's look into the audit package. We have got 90 days to finish the audit. For this audit, we need to submit two documents. First, a copy of my master's degree, the highest degree that I hold. And second, proof of my professional education. This is the 35 hours of project management education required for the PMP application. Remember, the number of required documents could differ by application. In my case, I took a single course covering all 35 hours of education. If you have taken multiple courses, you might be asked to submit evidence for each one. Next, I need to provide three references. Let me scroll down and explain further. These are references for each project I listed in my PMP application. Project 1, Expedition Coffee Overflow. Project 2, Mission Impossible, Inbox Zero. And the last one, the Great Office Chair Migration. All these audit requirements come directly from your PMP application. So, if the information in your application is honest and true, you have got nothing to worry about. Before you submit the audit, you need to provide all the documents. Until then, the submit button will remain disabled. So let's go back to the top and start the audit process. First, academic education. I will upload a copy of my master's degree. Next, professional education. I will upload the certificate I got from the training institute. Both documents have been successfully uploaded. Now, on to the references. Before filling in the details, there are two things you should keep in mind. First, pick the right individuals as your references. These individuals should know about your involvement in the projects that you listed. Remember, the project details you entered in the PMP application will be shared with these individuals. So, honesty in your application is crucial. Second, make sure you get pre approval from your references before sharing their details with PMI. Let's start with Project 1. Name, email ID, and a note. Keep the note short. There's a limit of 120 characters. Then we click the Send Reference Request button. Now for Project 2. And finally, Project 3. The project I am most proud of, the Great Office Chair Migration. we are done with the references. PMI will send emails to all the references, asking them to confirm your role in the projects. Remember, the submit button won't be enabled until PMI receives responses from all the references. Going back to the top, both documents have been submitted, but the references are still pending. We have to wait for the responses to complete this step. Don't worry, we still have 90 days left, and we have made great progress on day 1. Now we wait for the reference responses. After 4 days, with 86 days still left, we have received all 3 responses. Let's check. Yes, all 3 references have responded. It's time to submit the audit. Your application audit has been received by PMI. You will also get an email from PMI with the subject, your PMI Application Audit material. PMI should respond within 5 days with the audit result, either pass or fail. Usually, it's much quicker. For me, it took only 1 day to receive this email from PMI. You have successfully completed PMI's audit process. Congratulations, we have passed the PMI's audit process. To summarize, here's how you can successfully pass the audit process. Number 1, be honest in your PMP application. Number 2, make sure you complete the audit process within the 90-day window. Number 3, have certificates ready as proof of both academic and professional education. Number 4, choose your project references carefully. These individuals should be aware of your role in the projects. Number 5, inform your references before sharing their details with PMI. And finally, number 6, don't forget to thank your references after you pass the audit. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Sunny Sensei for more PMP tips, lessons, and guidance. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.